What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ty Jock. Hey, nah, I'm tweaking. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ty Johnny. We back with another reaction. 1v1 Clam God versus Cam So Smooth. And I gotta see this because I know Clam God be hooping and Cam be hooping. So let's get right. Well, first you gotta like, comment, subscribe. Turn on the post notifications. Then you can watch the video. You feel me? I mean, you can watch the video either way, but it would just make sense if you like, comment, and subscribe. But let's get into it. I might as well keep the video. Keep doing it every time. So you feeling? That's how you feeling? Okay, okay. So players face each other. Players face each of the opponents once. Games up to 13, 1 and 2s. 3 dribbles, 2. Is this, oh no, is this the game we're watching now? Oh, okay, yeah. Go crazy, Cam. Hey, I won. Burn him. I knew he was gonna make it. That nigga be hitting them trays. Remember when I first seen Cam from Frigga Channel, I was like, yeah, he's crazy. Man was hitting too much shots. But I've been seeing Clem God for a minute though. Since like what, 2018 I guess? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Man, shot is cash. Yeah. One more time, one more time. Even though he missed the shot, still a good move. Okay, Cam, okay. Let's go, Clamp guy. Let's get some points on the board, my boy. Oh. I'm about to say, it's no way. I'm about to say, you need to go to the cup. You known for getting to the cup too easy. Not saying you can't shoot that, huh? Okay. Yeah. Your boy got allergies, man. Oh my God. And one. It's a bucket. He was gonna hit though. And that shit look at when he let it go. Okay. You feeling it now, huh? Get it, Cam. We get a lock-up defense play. Come on. Ain't no timeout, boy. Ain't no timeouts, boy. Nah, I'm just playing. Damn, good defense.
I used to be a photographer with this nice.
I'll be muting all the ads now, cause I done got copyrighted for one of them, so I can't even go no more, bro. No Google Pixel. Ah, I be hating shit like that. Like that bit was in there. Tell me what that shot talking about, Cam. Shit. I like that. I like that one. Oh, he making that. Good take. Fucking take, boy. Train me up. Oh, he got saved. Hey. I like that one. I like that one. That was a good take, too. Respect, respect. They said. How you feeling? Ah. You know, foul, boy. Well, I'm not there playing, so.
There's towels there if you need.
Ain't no towels there, boy. What you talking about? Man said Tom. What you talking about, boy? All the way and one. I don't know, man. It's a good game right here. I don't even know who gonna win. Like before the game, I ain't gonna lie, I had my boy Cam winning. But now, I don't know. Them boys playing tit for tat. Train me on it. It was a great clutch shot. A needed shot. Oh my goodness. I thought he was finna make that shit. He ain't touch him. What you mean get the hand out his face? That's how you play defense, boy. He's finna score. Oh, good defense. Let's get it. Let's see who's finna get this dub. Hey. Hey, Clamp. Oh, that's Frank Nitty. I didn't even know who that was at first. And forgot other bro's name. But they all Ballislife for sure. Oh, that's more than 3 on me. It's a good bucket. Nice and simple. Best way to do it. Cash. I knew it. Oh, he won that bit. Let's go. I called it. Good shit, Cam. Damn. That boy said they said I was ducking last time. But that's another good video in the books. I should probably react to this. Hoodie Quell. I don't know how you pronounce Quell or Kel. I don't know. Trevor Dunbar. He's an OG. And Nathan, of course. Should react to that next. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. But again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Peace out.